Room 19, Beaumont House, Cheltenham. This is my second stay. Last time I got like a premier room. This is a standard room, so it's down in the dungeon. All ground. Can't really see that because I've got it here really late. It's just quite a nice standard room actually. Ooh, fluffy curtains, cushions, sorry. Little dog. Yeah, it's alright, it's quite decent. Yeah, it's quite a nice little present room really. Quite expensive, I think everywhere we're looking was quite expensive, so this was with parking, it's £5 per night for parking. Against I think £93. But again, everywhere else are quite expensive as well, but yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, just a little note on this shower. It actually falls right down and throw these around. Also this stuff here, I've just used and it's really nice. It smells nice. But yeah, I just want to show you, I've never seen one of them before. I didn't know what to do when I first got in. Also, in case you're wondering, there's a fridge. It had 2 bottles of water on for me and loads of milk, and they don't normally give you loads of milk. And in case you're wondering, there's an iron. There you go. Okay, well this is tonight's tea, just want to show you. I ordered from Flames. I did order from there last time I came. It's a burger with kebab meat, if anybody likes kebabs. And this is chips on pita bread. I probably should have got some sauce now to think of it. Yeah, I think I won't be that hungry, but that's still quite a lot really. Beaumont House, we don't do like a cut breakfast because there's not really any staff on site really. So it's more like a grab and go continental that they just give you free. There's also a little mini fridge in the actual like lounge area where you can just put your name and what you've taken and they'll just charge it to your room. But all in all, it's a really nice hotel.